Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Coomeet mod menu for free. This method works on both iOS and Android, and it unlocks all premium features: unlimited CooCoins, unlimited minutes, free shopping, and much more. If you've been searching for Coomeet Double Plus Plus or hacks that actually work, this is the video you need. On your screen right now, you can see the mod menu in action. With this version, you'll have access to unlimited CooCoins and minutes, free shopping options, unlock everything instantly, and exclusive hacks with premium features. Before starting, make sure your Coomeet app is updated to the latest version. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. If your app is already up to date, you're ready to move on. Next, scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've included the exact link and instructions for downloading Coomeet++. Follow the steps carefully, and you'll have the mod menu installed in minutes. If this method worked for you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Share this video with friends who also use Coomeet, and let me know in the comments what features you're enjoying most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.